This video is not meant for kids at all.
Hey guys, it's Arne here, and welcome to my new house. I will show it on a later date, but we haven't seen much of the city we are now in, so let's go fiddle around the public transport system, explore. Let's see where this gets us. I hope it ends up well. Halloween decorations. And there's not going to be a ton of street footage because this city is kind of insecure, so. Transition! We're now in the middle of absolute chaos. The weather is not doing pretty hot, but we're in the middle of these slick ass buses and we're going to get some money to move around. This place is kind of nuts, not gonna lie. What the fuck is happening? It's literally raining ice! What is even happening? Just like that, we're back to square one. Anyways, we're in the middle of a bit of a line right now. We need to get our cards for the transfer system to be personalized. So this is going to take a while. My guide here is helping us, yes, I'll say hello to the camera. Yes, that's how you say hello in English. Alright, it took around an hour and a half, but we're almost there. Yeah! Ah yes, the struggles of the typical Latin American citizen. And we're back to raining, but it's time to get onto our first bus of the day. This looks really nice. And this is a long boy, look at it.